this video, we will show you how we repair and fix LED panels with miscolored lines in AZAR Pixel. First, we need to find the bad pixels and remove the LED mask. We use a precise soldering tool to carefully remove the bad pixels. Now we will use a specific flux to clean the pad. Now we need to check and fix PCB traces. Now a very well-trained technician places a custom-designed flex PCB to cover the bad pads. Now it is time to fix the flex PCB by adding a special solder for each module. As you can see, each step needs to be checked before we can move on to the next. Now the technician is precisely putting back the new LEDs in accurately adjusted temperatures. Last but certainly not least, we need to put the LED mask back on to retest the module. AZAR Pixel provides the best quality repair services for LED panels, stage lights, and amplifiers in North America. Please feel free to contact us for a free consultation.